Right. Right, we're doing our 1,300 FIFA points and the rest of the coins that we've got. I'm still fucking laughing.
That is going to make me laugh.
Right, let's go.
No, you've ruined it.
No, I'll be doing it. We're not doing it professional video, you twat. Nah, you're doing a professional video, you can stop fucking laughing. Who'd we get? Neymar! Oh! Yes! Fucking yes, son! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Get in there, pa! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! We're going on. We're going on my HD Gamers videos. Oh my god! Oh my! That's 250. Have you got to keep him? You got to keep him? Oh my god! Oh my god, son! Oh my! We just got Neymar! Woo! Oh my god! First back!
First pack, yeah. This is what we're talking about.
You got to keep him?
Aye.
Why?
It's Neymar.
Why?
I'm keeping him then I'll sell him.
Nah, sell him now.
Nah, I want to play a game on. I'm playing a game on.
Right, we could. Oh my! You fucking put it there, son. Yes. Fucking yes. You do realise we're probably gonna go on my HD Gamers video?
You know it's still
Top
recording.
5 pack opening. Yeah. It'll just cut out. Oh my god! First pack and we get a Neymar. It took me like 5 minutes to realise. Fucking
I'm
get
too
in.
shaky. Take it.
Oh my! You not? Why are you not like pumped? Oh my god, Lewis! That's a 250k player.
Huh?
That's a $250,000.
What is on the card? We got
We just got
Neymar!
Neymar in the pack.
Tell me.
That's like 250 grand.
Is it? Are you taking a picture?
No, we're videoing it. Oh, I am so stoked. I'm not even joking. How are you not stoked right now?
Well, look. Whoa!
Oh my god.
I'm taking my jacket off.
Oh my god. Neymar. You know what? I'm
Neymar! I'm happy 5 minutes after it.
fucking yes, son. Oh my god.
Skipped it as well.
I know, it's getting us the best. Oh my, we got. I actually can't believe that. I'm being dead serious.
on my team.
I'm being dead serious, mate. That's 250 grand.
Let's just go on Facebook.
Holy shit.
Let's just go on Facebook.
No, it's not.
Yeah, you can,
Maybe.
we can cut stuff out.
Maybe, we might put it on Facebook. But show you, right, sorry. We're still doing the rest of the coins, aye? I mean, you just got Neymar, that's 250 grand.
I've always wanted to play with him.
Ah, exactly.
Exactly.
You play with him.
Right.
I'm saying you play with him, then you sell him. I mean, we do the rest of the... You said you would.
I will, but
And you just say to the
I
video
want to
that
build
you
a
would.
good team on it. I want to see how good he actually is.
Ah, but you still got players you could sell. Fabinho. Put him up next to him.
What? I'm putting a Brazilian team with Neymar! I'm too good at this. I didn't mean that. Fuck.
And plus...
Button select. I'm so stoked.
You're not as stoked as I am, though. Look at Swift back.
Them rules. Oh, you can...
Are you not actually stoked?
Yeah.
How am I...
Pumping.
Oh my
Some
god.
kick fuck at my teddy.
Totty. Why do you keep doing that?
You've got a good player.
It was Totty. Oh my god. Peter Jansson.
He's obviously good.
And plus, you'll probably get good players for the 150k anyway. Oh. How are you not stoked, mate?
Yeah.
You're not as stoked as I am, though, mate. That is proper mental.
See if we get a game again. And fun!
What if we get in from like
Ibra.
Ibra?
Right. We get in for Ibra, I'd sell.
No, you use in for Ibra. Apparently using Ibra's a one in a lifetime thing. Oh, Shia! He'll be going for a bit.
How?
Because he's Irish.
Just do that then.
Aye. I seriously don't know what to say. First pack Neymar.
Don't look at anyone good. Like, no, because we've got like 1, 2 packs left.
I thought we were doing 150k.
Oh, I want to build a team.
You just said 2 minutes ago I didn't like building teams.
Oh, but with Neymar.
Just put him in the team we've got now then.
Oh, we've got another team.
Sell Thiago Silva and all that.
Why?
Or, like you've got players that are worth thinking. You just said to the video you did 150k. You're talking shit.
I just got Neymar. I'm playing with him in a decent team, and then I'll sell both the teams.
And then what you go do? Make an
Buy
empty.
packs.
No, you wouldn't. Eh? What? And you do that today?
No, not
Exactly.
not buy the packs today.
Stop doing that.
What we got, Toy? What we got missing?
Oh my god, Neymar. Why do you want to use Neymar so bad? Apparently he's crap. I'm not just saying that.
No, didn't even say that. Didn't fuck.
I've never played
Whoever
it.
told you that is gay. Didn't call Neymar crap when he called him.
He's shit in life. He's a diving prick.
I wouldn't say that.
He's a no.
Neymar will
Serious,
kick
man.
the fuck out of you if he was here. You said that.
He's a diving prick. He'd kick fuck at me. He's got like 44 strength.
And we are his Brazilian pals.
Right, I'm scared of fucking Hulk and Thiago Silva.
I'd be scared of Hulk.
That's what you say.
Hulk Hogan.
I'm scared.
I would be scared of him.
Right, I'm not going to sell him. I'm just going to see how much he's worth.
Just cut it out.
Yes. Why you don't want to open 150k?
Because Hank.
You'd get good players for that anyway. You'd get good players from that anyway.
I don't think.
Right, no, can I please just check how much he's worth?
Checking. You have to do it the good way.
Right,
I'm giving you a chance to redeem. Oh, Rangers. I'm giving you a chance to redeem yourself here.
Oh my god, Neymar in a pack. How long did it take you to realise?
Like, as
Did
soon
it
as,
take you a while?
as soon as I seen the 84 striker. Wait,
Oh my god.
I knew that we were gay. The girl, me and Neymar knew. I knew that was the day we were.
Lewis, 260 grand. Can I have always taught you, right, that people just buy players, right, just because they like him.
Yeah.
This is the best example.
Well,
Because he's not brilliant, he's good. Oh my god, he's got 5-star skills, 5-star weak foot.
exactly.
Ah, it's good, but it's not fucking
That
brilliant.
means he's gay with me.
I'm just saying, I think you should do the rest of the money, and then whoever you get in it, sell that, then make a team room with him.
I'm only gonna get how many packs will I get out of it?
Probably 30 from all the discards. And your pack work is insane. And you know it. Yeah. Do you want me to send him a club back? That is bone chum like. It seriously is.
Sure.
They must be laughing at that team. Laughing. Look how random it is.
I know, but think about it. I sold I sold my good team and then just
I
bought
said it was a shite team. Yeah?
no my BPL.
Oh, so it was a crap team that I made.
Yeah. I never even played with it.
Why?
I never even bought the rest of the players.
Why?
I again.
Do you realise how OP that team was?
No.
It was OP as hell.
I never played with Germans. Did I touch my South African people?
I know. Can't be touched, sir.
Weekend
The South Africans ain't even that good. They're not amazing.
Can you take this one?
I need to check how much John O'Shea's worth. Trust me, I'm as chic as you. Look at that.
You'll go for more on St. Patty's Day.
Do I just keep on telling them? So what we're doing, we're opening the rest.
What, 150k?
150k.
But will I get anyone?
Aye, well, you just thought you wouldn't get anybody in 1,300 FIFA points. Who'd you get? Neymar.
Yeah, on you go then. If we didn't get anyone, what we go do?
Then we'll put in like 7.50 each. Like 3 grams for 30.
Can you?
Then buy me a FIFA points.
Can you buy? Could you record this?
Aye. Mind, we're not trying to do it professionally.
Oh no, I'm just having a laugh.
Aye. But it's turned for having a laugh to get him on. Stop.